Gentle parenting is for gentle children. I'm seeing that all over social media, and it's time to address the elephant in the room because I gentle parented children who are labeled by people as rude. Not because they were under my gentle parenting. When they came to my foster care, they already had all those behaviors. And with my gentle parenting, they became a lot more kind. I'm going to share today with you my story, my journey, and to let you know if you are trying to transition from a more traditional method, and then you're like, I wonder if I can do this, considering that my child is not a gentle child. Like my child is, they have gangster kind of behaviors. I'm going to share with you that it is possible and how I did it. Hello, my name is Marcela Collier. I am a certified parenting coach and owner of HIC Parenting Education Agency. And my mission is to help and support parents bring peace to their parenting, become secure parents so they can raise emotionally healthy children. And the reason why I became a parenting coach in the first place was because of the transformation that I saw on the children that came under my care. So 12 years ago, 2012, I had my first child in foster care. By the way, I only had two in foster care. And I remember sitting at the table thinking, how am I going to correct all this aggression? Because at the time, the only tool that I had at that moment that I knew from growing up in a traditional Latinx environment was chancla. But of course, I wasn't going to do that with him because he was in foster care with me. I cannot do that. So I was out of tools. I went on a journey to equip myself with all the tools to parent him better, and plus because I didn't want to repeat those cycles that I lived growing up. And then there was something that changed the game for me. It wasn't the books that I read, the scripts, if your child does this, then do this. It wasn't behavior tactics or strategies. It was when I got really good at understanding the feelings and needs beneath all that aggression. Because beneath all that aggression, there is a fearful child. There is a child with more tender emotions. It might be fear, it might be overwhelm, it might be grief, it might be disappointment. In my son's case, it was trauma. So when I got really good at understanding his needs and how I was showing up to him in a way that he felt calm, that his nervous system calmed down his aggression because he felt safe with me, that's when things started to take a turn for me and my son. So much that the neighbors were noticing it. They were knocking on the door and they were like, tell me, how do you do this? And I was, in a way, parenting coaching the neighbors. It was kind of like an spontaneous thing. I wasn't a parenting coach or anything at the time. And they were living transformation with their own kids who did not have all the trauma and the big behaviors, but they had sibling squabbles. And the 2-year-old hit the 1-year-old, like things like that. And they start seeing transformation by gaining understanding of their children's needs. And one of them told me, parenting with understanding changed my life. That's when I knew I had a calling and more parents needed to know about this. Fast forward to now, all those years to now HIC Parenting Education, my parenting coaching agency, has helped 14,151 parents become secure parents, understand their children's needs, and raise emotionally healthy children. We do it through our big coaching program, which is thousands of dollars, and we do it through our membership, which is so affordable, and it is basically having a parenting expert on your back pocket when you need it every single week for just $47 a month. So this is a membership that comes with a private community and with parenting support, direct parenting support every single week. We only open up our membership a few times a year. The doors are open until June 7th to join the Secure Parent Collective membership. So if you are a parent currently raising children and you're trying to transition from more traditional methods to a more respectful approach, and you need accountability, you need a parenting coach by your side and a community that gets you, that supports you, this is the place for you. You can join as a founding member for $47 a month instead of $57 a month, and we will close our membership on June 7th of 2024. This is what some of our members are saying after a week of being in the Secure Parent Collective. You've been coming to the Secure Parent Collective. What have you seen in your parenting?
Well, it's only been about a week and a half that I've been watching more videos, and this is my second Zoom meeting. So just with all the information, I'm starting to notice her needs more. At 2.5, she's verbal, but not not a lot of words. So I'm starting to see her body language and recognize those things to be able to have less meltdowns in our house over the last week.
Wow.
Very
Just
nice.
go to the secureparentcollective.com and you can join us there. Or you can find it in the link in my bio at Instagram and TikTok, here on the description on YouTube. It's there until June 7th. You don't have to figure this out on your own. Matter of fact, I didn't do it either. I did it with the direct guidance of coaches that helped me every step of the way. Can you successfully parent a non-gentle child? Yes. But in order for a non-gentle child to calm down their aggression, they need to feel connected, secure, and safe under our care. It only takes understanding of your needs and of your children's needs to transform your parenting. That's parenting with understanding. Unveil their needs, get really good at settling down from their stress responses, and educate them in better ways to express their feelings, their anger, their disappointment, their grief, all those feelings. That helped my child go from putting holes on the wall to say, hey mom, I feel angry right now. I think I need a break. I'll see you next week in the Secure Parent Collective, and I'll see you next time. Bye.